Hey there everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix very low sound while calling on iPhones. So guys, many iPhone users are complaining about that whenever they are on call they receive a very low sound on their iPhones and they don't know how to fix this issue. But guys, don't worry, it is a very common issue which iPhone users are facing nowadays. But don't worry, I have got your back. Today in this video I will tell you how to fix very low sound while calling on iPhones. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start the video. First step is to check your volume levels. During a call, use the volume buttons on the side of your iPhone to increase the call volume. Sometimes the volume may be accidentally set to low. After trying this, then if you do is clean the speaker and microphone. Dirt or debris can sometimes accumulate around the speakers or microphone, affecting sound quality. Use a soft brush or compressed air to gently clean these areas. After this, then if you do is simply remove screen protector or cases. Screen protector or cases can sometimes interfere with the sound quality of calls. Try removing any accessories to see if the sound improves. After trying these steps and still facing the issue, then you have to do is restart your iPhone. Sometimes simple restarting your iPhone can fix these type of issues. To restart your iPhone, you have to open the settings, then scroll down and tap on general. Again scroll down and then tap on shutdown your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. If restarting doesn't work, then you have to do is check for iOS update. Make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. You have to open the software update and check if there is an available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS. So guys, after trying all of these steps and you're still facing the issue, then I will suggest you to do reset all settings on your iPhones. To do this, you have to simply scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, these were some simple steps that how to fix very low sound volume on calls on your iPhone. If this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.